It's me going out of the way when I should've went home. Only time of the day I get to spend on my own. I was tripping off high, used to sleep at your crib, should drive out right where you
Okay, so I'm trying to get to a spot where I feel comfortable and caught up with my content so that I can continue to be creative. So since it's my day off, I want to use my time wisely. We finna see what I can get done for my business in an hour. So I'm gonna set a timer. This video is gonna be more of a raw video. It's not gonna be much editing. I'm gonna set a timer and see like what all can I get done, what can I come up with in an hour. If I take a break or whatever, I'm gonna pause the timer. So we're gonna start it at 1 hour. Timer has started, and I know that I want to see how this insert looks laminated, so that's what we about to do now. I've come to realize that I just be overthinking everything, and including my content, which is why I be blanking a lot of times. So I'm gonna just do it, and we're gonna see what comes of it. I just made this insert recently, so I want to see what it looked like completely finished, how I'm feeling about it. While we wait for this to heat up, I'm gonna look at my YouTube studio and see what could I come up with as far as YouTube shorts. I already have 2 shorts scheduled and ready to go for the next 2 days, but I need 7 in total. So we finna do that right now. So I'm just looking to see which ones are the most popular and what do they have in common. The trend that I'm seeing is the ones that are most popular are very short. They're like 13 seconds, 9 seconds, 16 seconds, and they really don't have no talking. Like for instance, this one. With me knowing that, I'm gonna mimic that, and I'm going to do something like decorating my Kindle. So I'm gonna use my content phone and record a YouTube short, and I'm gonna record it directly in the YouTube app just to make everything simple and seamless. Boom. I'm gonna be recording this one, and it's gonna be something about like Valentine's Day. I don't know exactly yet, but this is all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take everything off my Kindle first so it could be as if I'm decorating it, and I'm gonna stop it in between each clip, because when you record directly on YouTube do not let you go back and split clips. It only lets you make them shorter or longer. Now I'm gonna do oh wait, so this one I didn't know it was labeled not the best. This was just really a test, and I want the best one to be showing my work, so I'm gonna get a better one and I'm gonna use this one. So now we're gonna pick up where we left off. And then I'm just gonna put my decorations back on. The hell? So now this is ready. Now I'm going to get this done, and then I'm going to be editing my YouTube video while I wait for this. But really, I'm just going to draft my YouTube video right quick, and I got to get a thumbnail for this. Ooh, I got to get a thumbnail. I got to get a thumbnail before we finish. This is how it looks. I just have to get it cut out and everything, and then I might make some content with this, not sure yet, but we gonna get back to this in a second. First, I'm finna edit this YouTube short real quick. Now I'm trying to see, should I say POV, you gave your Kindle a makeover for Valentine's Day, or POV, your Kindle is your Valentine? That looks like it's more pleasing because it's shorter. I be looking for a vibe, like I gotta feel like it go together. So with the song that I just chose, it feel like it go with this video, with the pace and everything. One thing I don't like about actually making videos in YouTube and editing it is you don't have no back button for you to undo what you did. You might not even know what you did because these things move around easily. Okay, so now I'm just gonna do the same title, POV. And I might end up posting this as a shoppable video on TikTok. I'm also trying to figure out like what to do to get more sales. So I might just post this. Now we're gonna do a related video. I'm probably gonna do something interesting. Let's just click that one. And then there's that. We have 3 shorts so far. I gotta have 7. So we got the shorts done, or we got a short done, so I'm good for the next 3 days. And really I'm doing this for because I bought myself some snacks. So I said I gotta be productive to eat these snacks. I just love making these. They're so freaking fun. The inserts, making them are so freaking fun. Now we are going to cut these. 24 minutes left. I gotta get a picture of this too. Hold on, let me first. I got a picture of that. I'm gonna get a picture of the timer, and this is for the thumbnail for this video that you're watching right now, because I need that white background. I forgot to show y'all the timer throughout this video. Now we are going to get this cut. I still haven't decided if I'm going to post it. I might just post it and see whatever the reaction is that I get from it. Okay, and then these are going to be like bookmarks. This is like a 90s inspired one. It's so satisfying to cut it and then to also clip the ends or the corners. Love doing that. But I think I cut this one too small. We finna see though. Let's see. This could be another. This right here can be another short. I'm gonna make a shorts video too. Super cute. Yes, this one I cut it too small, but it's fine because it's like a darker aesthetic anyway, so the black on the sides don't really bother me. But this would be like my test copy. That's cute though. I actually like that. Yep, I'm gonna be selling this one because I wasn't sure how I felt about this one. Comment below, let me know what you think. I made this like, I've been making it for like a week, I think. And I always do this to my, hold on, let me get a Sharpie. I always do this to my test one, so I know not to sell it. I just put marker on top of it. Right here. Boom. And then I write on the back whatever I want to write. But this one I'm going to write test cut. This one is really cute though. We on a roll. Yes. And then I'm gonna sit down and read my Kindle probably after this, because I haven't read my Kindle in, let me show you how long it's been since I read my Kindle. It's on the 6th of this month right here. And I love checking stuff off in my planner. So let me see what I need to check off so far. Okay, where we at? Okay, we on good time. We got 15 minutes. So I'm finna start working on, I'm gonna draft this in 15 minutes, and I'm gonna try to get this thumbnail done in 15 minutes. But so far I only got like 2 pictures, so I'm gonna need at least 2 more. What I'm about to do is probably not gonna get the thumbnail done in this video, but I can draft these. I definitely can draft it, and then I'll just get the other 2 pictures after this video. Yup. In the meantime, I'm gonna print out another one of these inserts. Wow, I actually like this more than I expected to. I did not expect to really like this, but I really like it. Like, yeah, this is really good. I did not expect to like this one as much as I like it. To me, it was looking like everything was just everywhere. But I had a vision. I want to fix this on the insert. So I'm going to go back and fix that, because that's up a little bit too high for my liking. So I'm going to pause the video while I fix that. And then I'm going to pause the timer too. I just started the timer back. We at 12 minutes. I'm just going to do a rough draft of the product on TikTok shop. And then I'm gonna go into doing a rough draft of the thumbnail, because I do want to add the thumbnail in this video. I'm gonna go to manage my products, and then I'm gonna just duplicate one of the products that I already have. Duplicate. I'm gonna just erase the images. So I'm gonna just upload one of these pictures. This is not the official picture, but let's see, could it be? It could. Possibly. And then I'm gonna save that as a draft. So now we have, go to the drafts, and then we have that there. I love the look of it. I'm just so shocked because I did not like it as much as I like it now. Like, when I was making it, I was very doubtful about it, and I didn't really like it. But seeing it, it's just like chef's kiss. It's just like, look at this. It's so good. Okay, now I'm gonna do the rough draft of the thumbnail. So we going over to Canva. I did think about adding on like 30 more minutes to this timer, but I'm like, no, because that would defeat the purpose of my productivity, and that will make the video longer than necessary. I already don't know how long the video is, and I want to edit it and finish it today. So I just got a bunch of pictures. These are the most current ones. All these at the bottom. And now I'm just gonna go through and select which one I want. Like, I'm a favorite which ones I like. Okay, that's a good one. I just pick them based on the light, based on like the angle, and I favorite more than one, and I just match it in the thumbnail to see what I like. That's cool. We at 6 minutes, and I chose to do this, I guess we can call it a challenge, because I was sitting here overthinking, like, what should I do next? Like, should I work on a video? But it might take me 2 weeks, not 2 weeks, but it might take me a full week, and I'm like, that's not necessary. Just make a freaking video. So I've been sitting here overly debating about what I should do, and that's what made me make this video. Okay, so now that I have all the ones that I like hearted or favorited, I'm gonna go to the camera roll and I'm gonna go to my favorites. I'm gonna select my favorites and then I'm gonna just add all my favorite ones. But first I'm gonna just do me. And then the way that I do it when I got so many pictures, this can be kind of overwhelming. So I'm just gonna delete all that. And I'm gonna go through and select, okay, what I will most likely want to see instead of, you know. So now I have 3 favorites when it comes to the journal. Even though it was really 4 or 5, but we're just gonna do these 3. And then I'm gonna put these here to see how I feel. Boom. So that, and then now I'm going to go back and get another picture of my phone. Okay, 3 favorite of them. So I'm gonna put that maybe like right here to begin the picture maybe. And right now I'm just trying to see how the setup would be. The phone and this next to each other, that's kind of a lot, and so I want to spread those out, so I'll probably move this one over here. But yeah, that's really it. I'll probably come back and show you how the thumbnail come out. I got 2 minutes left on the timer. Yeah, 2 minutes left on the timer, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pause the video right here. And then I'm gonna work on the thumbnail. Then I'm gonna come back and show you, and we gonna end the video. Okay, so we at 1 minute and 52 seconds. Like I said, I paused the video to finish the thumbnail and come back and show you. This is what I got for the thumbnail so far. I don't know if I might make changes or not, but I just finished this. I want to say in about, maybe it took me about 20 to 30 minutes to do this thumbnail, and I really like it. Like, I'm sure I could probably make improvements if I look at it more. At first, this was big like this. Like the me in the middle, I was big like that. Comment below, let me know, should I be big like that? Or should I be small like that? Comment below and let me know which one you think looks better, so I can know like which one I should use. But that's the thumbnail. That's the thumbnail you're gonna see when you come across this video. And now it's time for me to export this and edit it. I'm kind of intimidated because I feel like this video is longer than I planned on it to be, and I might have to add music to it, but I'm gonna try my hardest not to do too much editing to it. That is the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you check out this video. You will definitely enjoy this one as well. Oh, that's the timer. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.